Hey everyone, myself Priti Kudalkar and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be talking about DD, Design Dissertation, which is like this big fat book that we do as a part of our academic journey that is in our final year, semester 9 and semester 10. So my topic was veterinary hospital and rehab center for stray animals. You can select a topic of your choice, of course, because it's a research subject. So everyone picks a topic that they really are passionate about. So how to select a correct topic? तो जब मैंने ये जर्नी स्टार्ट किया था आर मेंटर्स had told us कि think of 3 topics minimum and come and we will discuss and we'll decide whichever is the best one and whichever you're most passionate about. We'll just have a tally on all the topics. So my topics were, the first was gender inclusive spaces designed on sustainable grounds. So because it was a lot of different genders had like come up, and there were these new things that were coming up in the society and things. So I had decided that I'll design a space which is for everybody, which is inclusive, जहाँ पे किसी भी जेंडर के पर्सन को inferior या uncomfortable feel ना हो, whether it is like gender inclusive washrooms or it should be a space जहाँ पे सब लोग welcomed है, irrespective of they are asexual, they are bi, they're whatever, but it will be inclusive of all of them. So this was one of my topic. Second was healing spaces for millennials in the city. Millennials need healing is something I really feel, because we are so much in the rat race and the hectic schedule that we need healing. We don't, even myself, I want to meditate every day. I really want to sit for like 15-20 minutes quietly and meditate, but nahi ho pata. I mean, either we are just procrastinating too much, or we are just not, we just don't do it, which is sad. And I'm really happy about the people who really take out time from the schedule and they meditate. I mean, hats off. But yeah, this was my second topic. My third topic was animal rehabilitation center design. Now this is the third topic which I went ahead with, which definitely got modified a little bit more, and it became veterinary hospital and rehab center for stray animals. Well, now every or any topic that I had just even listed down, it had my personal, things that I saw, things I experienced, things I felt like, oh, ये थोड़ा सा, something should be done regarding this thing. तो हर एक टॉपिक के साथ मेरा खुद का कुछ ना कुछ sensitive or emotional connect था. So I was okay to go ahead with like any topic, but however, the final topic was the animal rehab and veterinary hospital that got like selected, and which I went ahead with. I'm very happy about that decision. But even for you, whenever you're selecting a topic, make sure that you are emotionally sensitively connected to it, because you have to spend like a whole year researching for it, and it is going to be continuous research and design everything. अगर तुम्हें उस टॉपिक में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है तो तुम नहीं कर पाओगे रिसर्च, तुम्हें वो मोटिवेशन नहीं आएगा कि यार इसके बारे में और जानना है, और लाइक फाइंड आउट इवन आफ्टर एवरी थिंग इज सर्च्ड आउट एंड इट्स देयर, you still have to discover new things about the topic. That is all DD is about. When you discover something that's original, something that is found out by you, although it might be researched by like authors and scholars, we have, majority things is already up there on the internet. But then still, when you put your own efforts and you discover something that is your personal effort, and that is something that counts more, right? So इसीलिए तुम्हें ऐसा टॉपिक चूज करना है. Of course, मैंने भी और बाकी सब ने भी, I'm sure we have gone to the internet, we have searched in ChatGPT which are the best thesis research topics, or tell me 10 high scoring thesis topic for design dissertation topic. That is how we have done, because we all want to be the best, we all want to have the topic that just shines. But what I believe is it will shine only if you are passionate about it. because at the end of the day you are the one who is going to work for it, कोई और तुम्हारे लिए काम करके नहीं देने वाला है, I mean mostly unless you're paying people or whatever. तो तुम्हें खुद को काम करना होगा, तो इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट कि तुम्हें वो टॉपिक पसंद हो यार. इसलिए मत लो क्योंकि ले पिछले साल किसी ने लिया था और उसने अच्छा स्कोर किया तो मैं इसके रिलेटेड टॉपिक लेता हूँ. ओ नहीं, ये वाला टॉपिक में ज़्यादा स्कोप लग रहा है मेरे को, मैं ये लेता हूँ. इंटरेस्ट नहीं है बट आई विल टेक दिस वन. It doesn't work that way. If you're taking a topic, make sure you want to work on it, not what other thing, not what this has happened, that has happened. No, if you are passionate, you are interested, then go for it. Okay, because while in this research journey, if you like it, तुम्हारा interest and curiosity और बढ़ने लगेगा. So when I started researching about animals, it was right from the sizes they are, what kind of spaces. Like अगर मैं horse का search कर रही हूँ तो Indian horse आता है, abroad वाले horses आते हैं, stable sizes अलग होता है. If it is a horse for the one that's used for sports versus the one that is domesticated, everything has a different requirement. And if I was not interested in it, probably it would have been difficult for me to go to that very much of detail, right from उनका food क्या है, उनके लिए what are the requirements in terms of health, food, bathing, sanitation. Every single thing counts, because here suddenly the user is not human, the user is animal. So when the user is animal, उनका पूरा schedule समझना पड़ता है कि what is how their day goes, what is their requirement. If I'm talking about a simple cat, I need to know that, okay, for cat there also needs to be a certain space which has sand, because if they poop then they put the sand on it and then they keep it aside, and then there is not requirement of having a specific sanitation requirement for them. तो ये सब छोटे छोटे डिटेल्स you need to understand. And because I was interested in this topic, I could search and I could put my efforts and push that, push that little further ahead and go for that research part. So it's important that whatever topic you select, of course सबका opinions लो, search करो, try exploring, and then at the end select what you think you can work for the entire semester. So this is like the very first step of the journey. Wisely select the topic. Then Agika will see in the next video. See you for this video and meet you in the next video.